Hello Tezos, my name is Chris Wilson, and in this tutorial we will query a Tezos node using DataHub. This is part 3 of the 5-part series for Figment Learns Pathways. Make sure you've completed the first 2 before continuing with this one. And let's just jump into it here. We will be using an RPC client to perform queries. We can do that by making a Query.js file in our project directory, and then adding the relevant code snippet. We're using import syntax, remember? So we want that one in there. You don't want to mix those up as you're building. Let's hit it with a save. And then, as always, we can run that query with node Query.js. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Gotta love it when it works on the first time. There'll be quite a lot of terminal output, so you'll want to scroll up like we did. If you had any problems with this part, here's a little bit of troubleshooting for you. You can also join the community forums. There's a lot of answers there if you run into any trouble. And if you can't find your answers there, the Discord is always there to help. And now we can verify this step by returning to DataHub and clicking Verify. All right, look at that. Again, we can refresh and see our chart move some more. All right, we're now ready to move on to injecting operations into a Tezos node using DataHub. As always, if you had any difficulties following this tutorial or simply want to discuss Tezos or DataHub tech, you can join our Discord in the link down below and head on over to our community forums to contribute to the Web3 knowledge base. I hope to see you there, and until next time, happy coding.